Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be taking you through a peek of my weekend morning routine, and you'll get to see one of my favourite all-time breakfast dishes. I tend to have this over the weekend. It takes a little time to prepare, it's really healthy and nutritious, and it fills me up. So without further ado, let's get started on the video. I love to start my day off with a freshly squeezed lemon and hot water. It's super cleansing, it's great to have first thing in the morning on an empty stomach ideally. It can promote clear skin and is a great source of vitamin C. Hot water also improves your digestion, it's calming, clears out waste from your system and decreases stress levels. I have an adorable little cat called Bailey. He gets very meowy when I don't feed him, so he has biscuits throughout the night as a snack, and I always put water in his food. He doesn't drink much at all. We first got him from Cats Protection. He had cystitis for a little while, so now I have to mix water in with his food. I tend to give him hot water, it smells better for him and it's not as cold. Back to the delicious breakfast bagel. I try and use really responsibly sourced produce, from spinach to meat to the eggs. They're always farm fresh eggs, and I use coconut oil. This Booty Greens is a really great source of fibre. It has fruit and vegetables and tastes a bit like mango, so I do have this sometimes in the morning. As I said with the eggs, it is so nice to see a bright orange yolk. I would never be able to have those eggs from a container. I just don't really understand it. We always get our eggs fresh from the farm. I always try and have some kind of greens throughout the day, whether it be in the morning, afternoon or evening. The spinach always just tastes so good with this particular bagel anyway. You cannot have the egg without a runny yolk. It's not good if it's really deeply fried, and I always have pepper on top of it too. Wait for it, look, here we go, the runny yolk bit. This is how you can tell if it's a good fried egg or not. See the drippy yolk? So good. And there you have it, my special breakfast bagel. It's got spinach, eggs, ham, butter, bagels. So good. I tend to have a matcha green tea after my breakfast. This is the powder that I get from Holland & Barrett. It's a detox one. And then I just mix it with coconut milk and boiled water. It kind of gives it a really lovely mint green colour and a coconutty taste as well. It's still very, very thin, watery, but I like it. Then I take my matcha green tea and pop on my favourite Netflix series, which is currently Dynasty. If you've seen this before, you'll know when I say they always have something going on next time, so I always want to watch more and more and more. And I live in my pyjamas. I'm not ashamed to say it. I will be in my pyjamas in the mornings, maybe when I come home from work I feel like changing into my pyjamas. I do, no shame, I do it. And then I also have another tea after I've eaten. I love tea. I love to just start my day having a chilled, relaxing morning. This is really, like I said before, it's on the weekend. I go into weekend mode. It just brings a bit of peace to my day and a bit of me time. So what kind of things do you like to do to start your weekends off? Be sure to let me know in the comments below. I really hope you loved watching this video. Please subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!